All right, I'm really excited. I just got these. This is your fog light housing unit that goes around your actual fog lights that you have there. I'm going to be installing these on this 2020 Tacoma here. I like these. They're LED lights. They light up both white and amber. You can use them with turn signals. I already have fog lights, so you can cut out this piece right here and you have your actual fog lights through there. If you do not have fog lights on your car, that's okay. It actually comes with a piece that's in there and you just leave that piece in and you don't cut it out. And that piece pops right out. Now, the nice part is to install these, you do not have to remove your fog lights. You can keep them there. We're just going to be doing the housing unit that goes around it. The new one here, you're going to see these clips. There's 6 of them. That one has the same thing. Just going to reach into the back. You push this little button in like this, and then you just pop it out. And once you get that out, you just snap this one right into place. Let me show you. You can see those clips just come right out just like that. And that's how easy it comes off. And I'm just going to repeat everything on the passenger side just the same. All right, this is just going to connect to a ground on your vehicle. The other side, I cut off the little ring piece here and put this connector piece on. And then I'm going to use one of these provided adapters here. I just went right to the headlight one, went to this pinkish purple colored one, peeled back a little bit of the insulation, attach this on, and we'll connect the spade adapter right into that. That negative ring is just going to go right over here to this bolt that I have on the side. You're just going to fish these wires right through, snap this new one right into place. Just like that. All right, I got them all plugged in. Let's turn them on. There you go. You see they're doing their startup cycle there. And have them successfully installed. When you have your headlights on, those will come on just like that. Let's try the turn signal. And the hazard lights. So there you have it. Install was really easy. Just a couple little connections and some wires, running it in, popping those out, sliding the new ones in. Didn't find it very difficult at all. I like the fact it gives me the extra lights around the fog lights there and with the turn signals. There you have it.